Flight.
Thank you.
How you like the Tron?
I love the Tron.
You love the Tron. I think you do like the Tron.
Yeah, I'm a big fan.
Pretty sweet, dude. You are a Tronny.
Tron and V-Bar.
Tron and V-Bar.
Yeah. V-Bar is the best bar.
I hear you, dude. Yeah. All right.
Alright, let's get that walled out, then more slime, and get them rolling. Here we got Andy's getting ready with her bucket, and getting their tickets folded. The 50-50's coming out. It's going to be 5 each or 5 for 20. I'd highly recommend going for 5 for 20, and that's the way to roll. Angelo and Angie be coming your way. Even if you're flying, for playing that thing.